Hey YouTubers, it's Ucwepn back again with another Trackmaster unboxing review and first run, and we've got Trackmaster Lexi, the experimental engine from the movie Journey Beyond Sodor. So have a look at the back. We've got Helpful Harvey, and we've also got Runaway, what's his name? I forget his name. Rocket, Stephen the Rocket. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it, and we'll see what we have. So the first review on the new layout. This should be quite interesting to see. I want to see it run on its own Trackmaster 2 track. So having a good close look now at Lexi, which looks to be a reverse engine, which is weird. It has the cab front, cab forward, and it comes with a weird tender. I suppose one is for water and one is for oil, because it probably burns oil. And it has a little red truck with a load of scrap or something in it. Some focus. And we'll have a nice close look now. It has that weird coupling that's built in to the truck itself, to the tender, so that modifying that will be impossible, or so it would seem. Just a standard load of scrap in the truck. Now Lexi has some nice sort of weathering applied to her from the factory. It's like a rust sort of appearance. Quite good looking actually. There's no face on the back, of course, or the front. And having a look on the spinning display turntable, it looks quite weird with the switch up the front or the back. But nice paint applications there, and the lamp is nicely painted white as well, which is good. Good to see them paying attention to detail for once. So yes, that's what you get in the package. And we'll go ahead and throw a battery in and see if it runs. We have to chop all this down. It's too long, this video. And running well. Sounding nice and smooth like they always do. Oops, the daisy. I think I dropped it on the ground actually when I filmed this, but still didn't seem to affect it very much. Made of quite good plastic. So off we go on the Trackmaster 2 track, and climbing well. Hopefully a good runner. And we'll stop to get some water, which probably only suits tank engines, this thing, because the tank for this one's obviously in a tender, and we've had a derailment already. And we'll try that again. The composite Trackmaster 1 and 2 track, because I have been unable to find more straight pieces. And we've had another derailment, this time at the entrance to the spiral. And we see some engines running around. There goes Angry Gordon, the tribute Angry Gordon. And here comes Lexi around there. She should pop into scene, and out she goes. Oh, and another derailment. That's not a good corner for Lexi there. The track joiners for the Trackmaster 1 and the Trackmaster 2 track, and trying to destroy some coaches there. So yes, not promising so far. Perhaps with some modifications it could be a good runner, but for some reason at the moment it can't even run well on its own track. And another derailment at the entrance to the spiral. So it's just about every other lap of the circuit there she had some sort of derailment, which is not ideal. And you can see what I mean there. The points were set for straight ahead and the locomotive got confused. Some would argue that it's an exciting way to play, having lots of accidents and derailments, but also it can be incredibly frustrating for the kids. You just want to run some trains when they keep derailing all the time. But even there you just see that Tommy can derail as well. And making it around that time. Up she goes, up she goes. Is she going to make it? Doing well so far. Oh, another derailment again in the same spot. I don't know why. The adapter piece there does not like them very much. So I'm going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching. You can go and visit Blue Plastic Tracks. That would be awesome. Also, any help on Patreon, I would appreciate it very much. So thanks for watching.